Hello everyone, let me quickly show you how you can design a time log like this on Microsoft Excel. So let's test run this one before we start from the beginning again. Now I'm going to click on this time in. So the name of the employee should come in here, and then you click on OK. All right, so I'm going to click on time out for that same employee. Click on OK, and then we have this. Now let's go and check the record. This is the person that just check in and check out, and this is the date. All right, so let's quickly go over and design it from the very beginning. Okay, so the first thing we are doing is to widen this one, and then I think let's do for the two together. Let's go and format so that it will contain the shape we want to enter into it. Let's increase this one to 26. All right, so we can bring in a shape now. Now let's bring in a shape. Click on insert, and then pick this particular shape, this very shape. Let it fit into that space we formatted. Okay, so I'm going to format this particular shape first before duplicating it. I love Times New Roman, so that's what I'm going to be using. We make it bold, bring it to the middle, and I want to change the shape color. Okay, so now I can type, right click to edit text, then you put in time in. So this shape now you can copy and then paste. We will change the color of the second one of timeout so we can differentiate the two. Okay, so we right click again to edit text. Here we have time out. Okay, so up here let us have something like, let's merge first. Let's merge this, and then we have employee time log. Okay, we can as well format this one. We can format this one, change this to Times New Roman, make it bold, increase the font and all of that. We will probably need to increase this also further. Okay, then we reduce the size to fit in perfectly. Very good. It must fit in perfectly into that space. Okay, now that is done, let me give this particular one a color. Okay, I want to put clock icon. If you go to your own insert, you might see icons, but for me I do not have it, so I downloaded the clock and I'll just insert it. But for you, around this shape area you might see icons. Just click on that icons, look for clocks, and pick the one you desire among the clocks you will see there. For me, I'm going to pick on my clock as picture because I downloaded it. Okay, so I'll insert it. There is always not just one way to a thing. If I don't have it, I can as well download and make use of it, and that is exactly what I tried to do. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to now call this sheet log. We are going to have another sheet and we will call that one record. Okay, so on this record sheet, we are going to start from column B. We put in employee name, we put the date, we put time in and time out. Okay, so if that is also set, we can now, let's format it first before we proceed to the next thing. Okay, all right, now this is formatted also. The next thing we want to do is to now bring in our VBA code. So if you want the VBA code to make this run, I'm just trying to copy it. Now you go to developer tab and then go to Visual Basic. For some other people, you can just click on F11. It will open up this developer tab for you. So for me, I went to developer tab, then going to Visual Basic. So you will locate this sheet 1. Click on sheet 1. Sheet 1, you are on sheet 1 presently. Now click on sheet 1 and then you paste the VBA code. If you want the VBA code, type time log in the comment section and I will send it to you. Time log in the comment section and I will send it to you. So after pasting the VBA code here, close this one and then you come back here. You select the time in shape, you right click, you click on assign macro and then you click on time in only. Click on OK. You do the same thing for the time out shape. You right click, assign macro, you click on time out only and then you click on OK. Now let us test run what we have just done. All you have to do next is to click on the time in, enter the name of somebody, okay, and click on OK. Can you see? This is the time this person is coming in, right? Let's click on the time out. The same name, the same person that signed in is signing out now. Can you see? So let's go and check it on the record. Can you see? It's on the record. If you do the same thing for another employee, it's going to be the same thing again. Okay, let's see. Can you see the next person? This person is not yet checking out. Now let us design this one to make it at least more beautiful. Let us format it. I have changed it to Times New Roman. Okay, can we increase the font a little bit? Now the next thing we want to do, I want to give it color, the border. Now come to this border icon here and click on tick border. For the second one, do the same thing, give it a tick border, then click on it, the arrow by the side. I want to give the border its color, so I'll give this one a red color. Okay, I think I've given both. Let me just, all right, let me use that one to demarcate it. Then I'll click on save. Okay, let me just save it as time log. But I will have to save it as Excel enabled workbook. If not, it will not work again if I close it suddenly. Okay, so let's test run it for the last time before we go. Now we are signing out as Ade. We click on OK. It has some funny things there.